So today we're going to be using the same lash map, curls, lengths, and Anime Collection pyramid spikes on both eyes, but the base lashes will be completely different. Let's see how this changes the overall look and outcome of the set. Here's the lash map we'll be using today. Nothing will change except the base product and the diameters. This is the Anime Collection pre-made pyramid spikes. They're kind of like 3D printed spikes already shaped for you, so you don't have to build spikes by hand. Now let's talk about the base. I'll be using angel lashes from the Wispy collection in 0.03 diameter. These are pre-made closed fans that mimic wet lash spikes. These are not bonded at the top, so they give a fluffier, denser look, kind of like a bold wet set. I love these and my clients love these as well because they speed up lash time and give me perfect results every time. For the second eye, I'll be using Clover lashes for the base. These are 0.07 in diameter with 3 individual fibers per fan. I personally love these because you pick it up like a classic lash, but it's actually a 3D volume fan. Today I'll be using Bondage Pro 2.0. The quick dry time helps me place extensions in the direction that they're supposed to be. First, we're going to apply the pyramid spikes. I started from the bottom layer because we are going to place 3 spikes per section, and this just means that we're putting 1 spike on each layer to build darkness. Look at how much darkness 3 extensions gave us with 1 spike. Before we move on to the base, let's just make sure all the spikes are sitting exactly where we want them. Now let's place the angel lashes for the base on this eye. As I apply the angel lashes, you'll notice they stay pretty tight and spiked together. This is because they're closed fans, which give that wet look without me having to do much work. I love them so much because they're super lightweight enough to suit any client's lash health. Now let's go in with the Clover lashes. These are technically volume fans, but you pick them up like a classic lash. You'll start to notice that these fans are wide, so it does give an overall wispier look to the set. I personally love to mix these in with any dimension when I'm doing a volume set. Now let's compare both eyes. Same mapping, same spikes, same curls, completely different results. Here's the final breakdown. Even though both sets use the same spikes, the final effect came down to the base. Clover lashes have a 0.07 diameter and they're open fan. So because of the higher dimension and the open fan, it gives a fluffier, more dimensional look. Angel lashes, however, are 0.03s and they're closed fans. So the lighter, denser lashes give a more defined look because they are closed. So if your sets aren't hitting like the inspiration photos, don't overthink the mapping. It really could just be your product pairing, especially the base lashes that we're layering under the spikes. Let me know in the comments below, are you more fluffy and layered or are you more soft and sleek? And if you want more lash breakdowns, product pairings, or real results like this, make sure to hit subscribe. I have more content coming for you guys that'll help you guys master sets with purpose and not just trial and error.